The given problem is, in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in a packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Number of mangoes were given in the form of grouped data. Number of boxes as frequencies. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? Here, moving on to the solution, we have to find mean number of mangoes. If we observe the class interval, the lower limit and upper limit, the difference between them is so large. So, we shall adapt step deviation method for solving this problem. Let's take the tabular form. If we see the tabular form, the number of mangoes were written here. Number of boxes were written in the form of frequencies. The sum of the frequencies were 400. Now we should find the class mark, that is xi. Class mark is nothing but sum of upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That is half of the sum of lower limit and upper limit. It is exactly the midpoint. Hence we shall find the class mark. Class mark, that is for 15 boxes, is 50 plus 52 by 2. That is 51. For 110 boxes, it's 53 plus 55 by 2. It's 54. And similarly, for the remaining, it's 57, 60 and 63. As we have taken the step deviation method, the deviation is di, it's class mark minus a, where a is the assumed mean. Here we shall consider 57 as the assumed mean. Hence, deviation according to the numbers where 57 minus 51 is minus 6, 57 minus 54 it's 54 minus 57 it's minus 3, 0, 60 minus 57 is 3, 63 minus 57 is 6. Hence, here if we see the similar, if we divide this deviation by 3, we can reduce the number. It is easy for calculations. Hence, we shall take ui is equal to xi minus a by h, where h is known as class size, that is 3. Here we get minus 6, 3. It is 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. As we have reduced xi into ui, we shall find the product of fi and ui. It is fi into ui. Here 15 into minus 2, it's minus 30. 110 into minus 1, it's minus 110. 0, 115, and it's 25 into 2, 50. And if we see the sum of fi ui, we get it's 25. They have asked us to find the mean number of mangoes. Hence, according to the step deviation method, we know that the relation between xi, x bar and u bar is x bar is equal to a plus h into u bar, where u bar is equal to sigma fi ui, where I varies from 1 to n, by sigma fi. I varies from 1 to n. In generally, we can write u bar is equal to sigma fu by sigma f. We know that a is equal to 57, H is equal to 3, and sigma Fu by sigma F is equal to 25 by 400. Substituting these values into the given formula, that is in U bar sigma Fu by sigma F and X bar is equal to A plus Hu bar, we get X bar is equal to 57 plus 3 into 25 by 400. By resolving it, we get X bar is equal to 57 plus 0.19, that is 57.19. Hence, the mean number of mangoes kept in the boxes were X bar is equal to 57.19. And they have also asked which method of finding the mean did you choose. We have chosen step deviation method, as Fi and Xi product were large.